Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we'll dive into how to use the onMEXC referral code, specifically 12K4M5, to maximize your trading experience. If you're looking to get more out of your cryptocurrency trading on the MEXC platform, you're in the right place. First, let's quickly cover what MEXC is. MEXC is an innovative cryptocurrency exchange that provides a user-friendly interface and offers a wide variety of trading pairs. It's an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned traders. Now, why should you use the MEXC referral code 12K4M5? Well, using a referral code is a great way to unlock exclusive bonuses and benefits that can enhance your trading experience. When you register with this code, you'll receive discounts on trading fees, and in some promotions, you might even qualify for additional tokens. This means more savings and more profits for you. Here's how to use the referral code. 1. Visit the MEXC website or download the MEXC app. Make sure you're on the official site to ensure your security and privacy. 2. Click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to fill in your basic details like email address and password. 3. Look for the referral code entry box. This is typically located during the registration process. Enter the code 12K4M5 in this field. 4th, verify your account through email verification or whatever method is prompted on screen. 5. Deposit funds into your account and start trading with your new advantages. By using the code 12K4M5, you'll not only gain immediate benefits, but you'll also get a head start in your crypto trading journey. Don't forget, every time you trade, you're potentially saving money on fees, which can accumulate over time. In summary, using the MEXC referral code 12K4M5 is straightforward and rewarding. It enhances your experience on MEXC, giving you more opportunities to grow your investment. Thank you for joining us today on Crypto Horizon. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency. Happy trading!